In this video we have analyzed 3 best espresso machine for beginners. Number 3. Nespresso Inicia Original Espresso Machine. Best feature of this espresso machine: energy efficient, user-friendly design, tiny and lightweight, impeccable taste, wide range of flavors, straightforward operation. Number 2. Breville BES 840XL Espresso Machine. Best feature of this espresso machine: peerless, consistent taste and majestic foam. Incredible value for the money. Volumetric control, low pressure pre-infusion. A bunch of accessories included. Thermocoil heating system, both automatic and manual features. Number 1. Gaggia Classic Semi-Automatic Espresso Maker. Best feature of this espresso machine: easy modification, simple to operate, great tasting coffee. Nice, easy to maintain reservoir, sturdy construction of heavy-duty materials.